Hi, welcome to another episode of Science Made Simple. I'm Firhad and I'm a science specialist here at the Pique Lab. In this video, I'll be analysing a past year examination question from the topic of solutions and suspensions. I've placed the question in a handout and you may download it for free by clicking on the link in the description box below. So let's begin.
Question 7. The graph below shows the solubility against temperature graph of solute P in two different solvents, Q and R. We are supposed to choose the correct statement describing the solubility of solute P. What does solubility mean? Solubility is the maximum amount of solute which can dissolve in a given amount of solvent. In this case, we have 1 liter of the solvent at a fixed temperature. If I were to draw a straight line from the x-axis going upwards to touch graph R, this would represent the maximum amount of solute P that can dissolve in solvent R at that temperature. If I were to continue that same straight line from that fixed temperature and touch graph Q, the purple line would represent the maximum amount of solute P that can dissolve in solvent Q. If you were to look at the position of the purple versus the red line, the purple line is much higher compared to the red line, and this shows us that more solute P can dissolve in solvent Q compared to solvent R at the same fixed temperature. So does solute P dissolves much more easily in solvent Q or solvent R? This means that solute P dissolves much more easily in solvent Q. I'm going to write that down. A trick that we can use for this question is to look at the gradients for graph Q and graph R. Which graph is steeper? We have the graph for solvent Q that is steeper. And since it is steeper, that means that P would have a higher solubility in solvent Q. Let's take a look at our options. Option 1, is solute P insoluble in both solvents Q and R? We know this is not true since P can dissolve in both solvents. What about option 2? Does solute P have a lower solubility in solvent Q? In fact, the opposite is true. It has a higher solubility in Q. And this gives us our answer as option 3. But let's just take a look at option 4. Does solute P have a similar solubility? We know that it does not have similar solubilities in both solvents, and this confirms our answer as option 3.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up. If you want to check out the other videos, click on the link on the right hand side. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you, and I see you next time. Bye!